how to sign in to your Netflix account login and password. Now if you want to sign into your Netflix account and then find the login and password of it, now you can use the Netflix application to log into your account, but because the application does not let me just record the screen, I will simply show you the process from my browser, but the process to log in is pretty much the same. Once you go to netflix.com or you use the Netflix app, first of all go to the sign in option that you can see. It will ask me to simply enter my email or mobile number first. So you can just go ahead and then make sure to enter the email address that is first of all associated with your Netflix account right there. Once you've done that, you also want to go to your password and just make sure to type in your password. If you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can tap on the I icon right here as you can see. Now you can also use a sign-in code right over here if you want to use a sign-in code to log in. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot password option to be able to go ahead and then reset it. But to give you an idea, this is how you can sign into your Netflix account. I hope the video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.